Hello everyone and welcome to my little summer series. Today we are going to make a cactus leaf salad. Because I currently live in Mexico, I thought it would be cool to make a little Mexican inspired meal. So I picked a very weird meal, the cactus leaf salad. First time I came to Mexico and they were like, yes, we do eat cactus leaves. I'm like, what? And the first time I tried one was such an experience. The cactus leaf has a lot of water and a lot of fiber. So when you cut it, it is very slimy. Mexicans roast them on a barbecue and they just eat it like that, or they do a cactus leaf salad. Actually, roasted on a barbecue, they have to be like really dry for me to like it. But the cactus salad, I don't know, maybe it's because they are cooked before and then macerated in lime. That makes them so different and I kind of like the results. So I thought I would share this super nice recipe with you guys. It's obviously gluten-free and the result is so special. I'm very curious, very curious if you do that, if you ever find this, buy it and make it so you can tell me what you think about it. I am so curious because the cactus leaf is a very weird ingredient for me. So I'm very curious to know. It's like tasting the Vegemite when you go to Australia. I love the Vegemite, by the way. So the original recipe has shredded fresh cheese inside. I didn't add the cheese, so it can be lactose free. You can add shredded cheese if you want. You can even add some bell pepper or eat it with avocado, whatever you want. Very Mexican when you eat it with an avocado. I also like to add some parsley in it, but this is just the base, and the base is very simple. So you're gonna need 1 onion. I picked a purple one because I thought the color was beautiful. And I think the flavor is stronger. 4 tomatoes, 3 limes, and 4 pieces of cactus leaves. In Mexico, you can actually buy the cactus leaves already cooked and in a sort of a brine in plastic bags, which looks very weird, but it's very good. So you don't have to cook them. The first step is to remove kind of the stem, which is not really a stem, but it's the hard part of the cactus leaf. And then cut some very thin slices. This is very important because if you cut thick slices, it's going to be very slimy. Eating a cactus leaf is a little bit like eating a jellyfish. So here I have slices like this, and I am going to cut them again in little pieces, like 1-inch slices. So you're gonna end up with, wait for it, small rectangular pieces like this. This is the best, whoa! See, it's very slimy. This is the best way to cut the cactus leaf. Can you see that? This is all fiber in water. This is why cactus leaf is actually super good for your health, because it's full of fiber in water. It's good for your digestive health. A lot of women use it to lose weight as well. So it's a pretty healthy option. We also have some tomato, which are very rich in lycopene, onion, rich in sulfur, lime. The lime doesn't only enhances the taste, it is also rich in vitamin C. So what I do with my leaf is I cut kind of a triangle shape, and then I take one side of the triangle shape and I cut my slices in the same direction. So I have little sticks. I don't know if you can see, but wow, that was a really big slime. I think that cooking cactus leaf is super original, I don't know, still after years in Mexico. Beautiful! Now that we have our small pieces of cactus leaves, we are going to cook them because the cooking is going to make them softer and less slimy. So put it in a pot, cover with water, and then cover it boil and then wait for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's cut those tomatoes. So the thing is, not very difficult. You only have to cut the tomatoes in very small cubes. The smaller the cubes, the easier it will be for the salad to be really well mixed. And I noticed that the flavor are really enhanced when you cut your ingredients in small, very small pieces. So these are my very small tomato pieces, tomato cubes. This is very hard to This is very hard to maintain in front of the camera, but it should be approximately like ½ an inch little cubes. This way is going to be mixed perfectly. Let's put the result in a bowl so we can macerate it afterwards. Okay, let's cut this onion now. And we are going to make slices of little cubes, even smaller than we did with the tomatoes, because onions are strong. So what I do is I cut thin slices and then I cut really small cubes from these thin slices in one way and the other. So I really have super small pieces. It's like minced. If you have a machine that does that, you can do it. I have to do it manually. So with a big onion like this, I'm going to put like almost 3/4 of it because it's really big. Woo! Our cactus leaves are starting to boil. So let's count 20 minutes from here. I didn't know cooking was so sad. My God, this is the strongest onion of the West. When I used to have contact lenses, I used to be immune to onions, and now that I got operated, I cut an onion and I'm crying again. Oh my God. So now the only thing you have to do is wait for your cactus leaves to be cooked and put the lime juice. God, I'm still crying. I want my contact lenses again. So I'm ending this recipe without being able to open my eyes. And I probably look all blotchy on camera, but it doesn't matter. It's the imperfection that goes with the video. I swear I'm not sad. For a little final touch, you can put a little bit of salt and pepper to the mix. Then once you have all your lime juice in the salad, you only have to mix it thoroughly. So you mix the tomato juice and the lime juice together with the onion. Don't worry, you will have a kind of a pickled flavor because the lime juice is going to cook and macerate the onion. And then you only have to drain your cactus leaves and add them to the salad. Mix it thoroughly. So everything has a little bit of lime juice, and the secret is to put it in a Tupperware and keep it in the fridge for at least 1 full day, because you are giving the salad the chance to macerate, and the more it macerates, the more delicious it is actually. And this is your final result. You can eat this salad with basically anything. For meat eaters, it goes very well with meat. For avocado lovers, it goes very well with avocado. For every single meal that needs a little side salad, it's just perfect, and it's very healthy. I hope you liked this recipe, or at least it was kind of entertaining to watch me cry and cut slimy cactus leaves in front of you. If you ever do it, please tag me on Instagram, Agatha. I will be thrilled to see your results and to know if you actually liked it or not, because you know, as I told you at the beginning, I'm not a big fan of cactus leaves, but this version of cactus leaf is the best of the best, and I really enjoy it. I hope you felt the Mexican vibes and you are having a beautiful summer right now. I send you all my gluten-free love and light. and I see you in the next video. Bye!